Appstronic, your e-learning solution provider. At Appstronic, we develop interactive, creative, and effective courseware that meets customers' training objectives. How do we get things done at Appstronic? 3. Only 3 phases in our workflow. Phase 1, storyboard preparation. Information gathering is important to get a storyboard done. We will arrange a kickoff meeting with the customer to discuss their ideas. Who are the ones you'll be expecting? There are 3 key personnel who will attend the first meeting with the customer. The representatives from the client could be the SME and the learning development personnel, who are normally the HR personnel. Our project manager will present the project timeline to the team. Then, our instructional designer and graphic designer will gather contents from the SME. From the contents we have gathered, our team will undertake a gap analysis. Based on the target audience and training objectives, we analyze the contents and close the knowledge gap. Next, we perform SME analysis. It is the brainstorming session among our team to propose the presentation approach and concept to be used and present in a storyline. The preliminary storyline, which is normally in text form, will then be presented to the customer. The art direction will also be proposed to the customer. The SME will give their comments. Based on the storyline and comments given, the instructional designer will prepare the storyboard, and the graphic designer will transform the storyboard's content into graphical illustration. Once it's ready, the storyboard will be presented to the customer for approval. The SME will endorse the storyboard. This is the green light to proceed to the subsequent production. This concludes Phase 1, which will take approximately 1 month. The next phase is the development of the e-learning module, or what we call Learning Object, or LO. Based on the approved storyboard, our professional voiceover talents will make a recording of the voiceover script. Our animators will develop the learning object with animation, voiceover, sound effects, and user interaction. The learning object will be compiled into SCORM format, the e-learning standard that is used in the learning management system. Once this is done, our SCORM engineer will do a test run to ensure the quality of the learning object. This completes Phase 2, which will take approximately 1 month. Lastly, the final delivery and upload. In the final phase, the customer will be required to review the SCORM and confirm they are ready to go live. Finally, the SCORM will be delivered to the customer to be uploaded to LMS. And learners can now be enrolled and start the learning. Appstronic. We are committed to developing interactive, creative, and effective courseware within your time frame. Let's spice up the learning experience.